You get that?
Yep. That was a, what, 6-second video?
Bro, we're in the middle of the basement. We got one out.
You actually just charged them over there.
Okay.
Good job.
No, I just rigged you.
Good job, though. Good job. But, you're a little too loud. We noticed you. Come on. Go! I would say tactical, but it's not at all. Just an assault. Flank against us did not work. We're going into the woods. I'll go with Miles, alright?
Alright.
They're gonna cut him off. I don't want to get on the side of the curve, right?
Yeah,
How about we just follow him and push him into Rob and Brian?
So the force a little dense. Where are they?
Who went that way?
Other are my teammates.
Oh, they went in. Rob and Brian went in to cut him off.
it's like fucking mom.
What, the woods?
Yeah.
If I had a coat on, I wouldn't care. T-shirt. There's probably a path somewhere. Might want to take it instead.
I'm just trying to look because I would be up on that full auto, so I fired once and I was like, oh shit.
Now you're gone. I can only take 7 minutes left, so.
You can always take what?
I can only take 7 minutes left.
Officer.
Yep. Alright.
Not stealthy at all.
Whatever. Can't really do that when you're making your own trail, can you?
Guess not.
It'll be easier once we get past these giant slants. You're like, oh crap. You didn't have a full auto because you were shooting at us earlier.
Yeah, no. I was gonna aim for one headshot, but I thought that was just a waste of an opportunity.
I'll link up with my other guy.
Just don't blow our cover, Will.
I think I'm the best camouflage one here, so.
On your team?
No. Just, like, in this.
Oh, there they are.